someone here looks contented. Someone here is taking a flight, going to abundance and prosperity right here. Maybe you are busy and focused and super detailed pagdating sa trabaho mo right now, or your focus is yung inyong stability, financial. Maybe others could be looking for a career right here. Maybe others could be working pero gustong mag-business dito. I can see that you're all okay. So, nakasmile ka rito, see? I can see na mukhang nakikita mo na rito yung fruits of your labor, no? Pwedeng nakikita mo na rito mga babes na lumalaki na yung ipon mo or gumaganda na yung flow ng work mo. It's like this is you, no? Na tapos ka na, come out ka na, no? Sa pressure dito when it comes to your money. Maybe you've struggled in the past in terms of coins and pentacles right here. But now, I can see, no, na nakikita mo na rito yung changes, positive changes when it comes to your money flow. Whether that's career, whether that's job, or whether that's business. Yeah, it's all about work right here. So probably someone here is also doing something. Maybe you haven't met each other because I'm picking that strongly. I do get that this person, pwede maging katrabaho mo siya, or baka katrabaho mo na nga siya ngayon for others of you. But this person is very focused and detailed, just like you. This person is someone here that could probably be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, but doesn't have to be. Pero ini-embodies nila mga babes, no, yung pagiging grounded rito, no, at saka hindi sila lazy when it comes to money and pagtatrabaho. This person could probably be artistic or creative, just like how this resonates. So it looks like both of you could probably be focused, okay, sa inyong stability. Oh. So it's like the divine timing is right here. Looks like you are both are being prepared right here by the destiny, no? Unyong or fate is right here, okay? Two cross paths right here. Yeah, cross paths, no? Yeah, that's the Roman numeral number 10, cross paths right here. And it appears to be somewhat wish granted. I don't know if this is your wish or this is the wish of that person. Okay, so it gives me that kind of vibe that this connection is something that is an answered prayer for one of you or for the both of you. Okay, because I'm also picking that up. Let's see, what do we have here for you, collective? Sabi ni. Okay. So far, so good yung nakikita ka rito. Pero, bago natin simulan ang reading na ito, collectives, hi muna sa mga new subscribers at sa mga returning subscribers na patuloy na sumusuporta rito sa channel na to. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. So, ayan, no, bago rin natin simulan ito, reminders that this is timeless as well, and syempre wala tayong gender dito. If you feel connected in the reading, then this reading might be really for you. And, yun nga, no, we've got some kind of a sensitive reading earlier, okay, today. 'Diba? So, yung title is yung Delubyo. So, whatever the case may be, alam mo mga babes, no, although we are trying to help those people out even though they've hurt you, no, we cannot do something about it. Lalo na kapag it is meant to happen. So, yeah, we're just reading it when we do not naman talaga want something negative to happen to them or what. So, it's just that they have to learn things in a hard way. And for the reason, I don't know. Okay? So, alam ng universe yan. Alam ng divine source yung dapat gawin dyan. So, whatever the case may be, it's not in our control. But whatever it is, what I'm pretty sure about is that matututunan niya rito yung mga bagay or lessons na dapat talaga niyang matutunan. So, yun yun. Alright, no? So, mga babes, yan, no? Dito naman tayo sa reading natin mag-focus. So, nakita ko dito, no, that we have here the Six of Cups energy to the Page of Coins energy, and there's this moon. So, we have here the Page of Coins, and there's this Queen of Wands right here. So, looks like there is some kind of a age gap right here. Or kung hindi age gap, pero pwede rin, no? Kasi nakukuha ko rin talaga yun. Like, literally, pwedeng mas bata kayo sa kanya, or mas bata siya sa inyo, or whatever the case may be, there is an age gap right here. This is a younger energy. The vibe is young. So, whatever the case may be, it's also someone here na pwede rin naman hindi young by age. Pwede rin siya na meron sa inyong difference in status. So, maaaring ikaw ay mas marami kang experiences in life, or baka mas matured kang mag-isip compared sa kanya, or baliktarin niyo na lang. Or pwede rin naman mga babes, no, na ikaw is pwedeng magkaibang inyong status sa work or sa company kung kayo ay magkatrabaho, or kayo ay magkasama rito sa earn of living. So, whatever the case may be, pwedeng colleagues mo siya, pwedeng business partners, so whatever the case may be, may difference, okay, sa inyong status, okay, sa inyong work or business dito. So, pwedeng boss ka niya, or boss mo siya, so whatever the case may be, may ganon, no? May ganon tayo nakikita rito, no? Pero ikaw to, na with the moon right here, no, and we have here the Eight of Wands, and there's this Eight of Swords energy. You have this kind of, you're curious about something, no? You're stuck in thinking about this, and you're ending na parang, parang alam mo yung parang nakikita ko dito na nababother ka a little bit, or parang nako-curious ka, namimisteryosohan ka, ba't ganon? No, parang there's something na parang with the Justice in reverse right here, parang meron ka ritong gustong malaman kung ba't siya ganon. Let me just give you an example. Ganito ha, ganito mga babes, no? Let me just give you an example. Okay? It's like you feel na parang, teka lang, parang may mali dito sa sitwasyon na to Yan. So, kagaya nga ng sinabi ko sa inyo, there is a little difference between you and this other energy right here. So, I do get that there's this person na parang feeling mo may mali. Okay? Bigyan ko kayo ng scenario. Okay? Ganito. This person, you could be older than this person, but doesn't have to be, pero hindi kanya tinatawag na ate, or hindi kanya tinatawag na kuya, no? Dinadrop niya yung honorifics right here, no? Yung parang paggalang rito na alam mo yun, di ba yung iba nga kasi, di ba, kahit nasabihin natin na isang taon lang yung pinsan ko, no, isang taon lang yung agwat naming dalawa, pero ate ang tawag niya sa akin, ganon, no. So, whatever the case may be, itong person na to, no, hindi kanya tinatawag na ate or kuya, kahit mas matanda ka sa kanya, no, or nagdadrop siya rito ng honorifics, no. So, whatever the case may be, parang feeling mo, teka lang, parang nagiging disrespectful tong tao na to sa akin. Teka lang, bakit ganyan niya ako parang kausapin, parang casual lang, parang magkaedad lang kami, or pareho lang kami ng ng status rito sa kumpanya yan, no. So, you think na parang okay naman siya, no. Wala naman ako nakikitang mali rito, no? Kung titingnan mo yung resume niya or yung kanyang background dito, wala naman siyang history of mental illness or whatever, no? Okay naman siya. Pero misteryosohan ka, bakit hindi ka niya rito ginagalang, or hindi ka niya rito parang tinatawag na ate, kuya, or hindi ka niya rito, nagiging casual siya sa'yo. Are you getting my point, mga babes? No, this person is trying to be casual to you, no? Pero not in a rude way. It's just that, okay, mas matanda ka sa kanya, pero hindi kanya tinatawag na ganito, ganyan, no? Alam mo yon. So, this person could not be, instead of addressing you as ma'am or sir, okay, this person is addressing you as miss, okay? Or this person is addressing you as, yun nga, no? Yung honorifics is parang nawawala or whatever. Okay? So, you're trying to look for answers, no? Bakit continuous na tong ginagawa? Ba't ganito ng ganito? And you have this kind of feeling, no, na with the Nine of Wands energy to this Nine of Swords energy, okay, you are really curious about this, and then parang ikaw to na gusto ko siyang tanungin kung bakit ganun niya ako kausapin. Walang rude dun sa pakikipag-usap na um, parang hindi siya nagsasabi sa'yo ng po or opo, whatever, no? Pero walang rudeness, no? I hope makuha ninyo kasi no po ako rito, no? Walang rudeness. This person is just talking to you casually. Yung iba pa nga in a soft and a sweet tone. Okay? So, mahinahon lang. Pero bakit wala yung pag-address rito ng tama, or bakit wala rito yung pag-address rito ng ng dapat tinatawag niya ako ritong ma'am, or dapat tinatawag niya akong sir, o dapat tawagin niya akong ate, or tawagin niya akong kuya, ganun. So, whatever the case may be, ba't wala yun? No, nahihiya ka naman tanongin siya with the Nine of Wands energy. No, but then again, nag-worry ka rin dito kasi baka mamaya kung ganyan rin siya sa ibang tao, no? Alam mo naman, importante ngayon ng good manners and right conduct. Nakakatawa nga yun yung naiisip mo rito eh. Parang nag-alala ka pa, you are a little worried about this person. Alam mo kung ba't nahihiya ka tanungin siya? It is because this is a new connection right here. Yun yung mas natatap ko rito na energy. No, bago pa lang kasi, kaya ganyan. Eh, bago pa lang, or parang siguro mga ilang months mo pa lang yan nakikilala, or baka bago lang yan napasok sa company ninyo, or baka ikaw yun, yung bagong pasok sa company nila, or baka bagong business partner ito, or whatever, no? Na may kinalaman sa money, or just take how this resonates. So, sinikita ko rito. No, pero alam ba, the interesting part right here is, alam mo yung ganun siya makipag-usap sa'yo, pero nakakuha ko ng soft, sweet tone, voice right here. So, alam mo yung parang wala man yung po, wala man yung miss, wala man yung ma'am or sir, no? Pero mararamdaman mo yung parang ginagalang ka pa rin niya. Kasi soft and sweet yung tone niya. Are you getting my point? Well, no, nakita ko rin yung sagot rito, no? From that question kung ba't ganyan siya sa'yo. Okay, let me tell you, that this person right here, okay, is a playful person. Okay? But not in a sense that he is a player. Okay? So this person could probably be somewhat playful right here in a way na gusto niya ritong iparamdam sa'yo, no, na parang binibigyan ka niya ng puzzle rito, no? Na matuklasan mo all through yourself na kaya siya ganyan sa'yo, it is because interesado siya sa'yo. So, parang para sa kanya, ba't kita tatawaging ate or kuya? Okay? Kung gusto naman kita talagang maka-in relationship or gusto katang maging jowa rito, no? Hinikita ko rito mga babes. Because this person is really trying, no, na makuha yung attention mo. Which is nakikita ko naman na nagtatagumpay siya. Because nasa isipan mo siya rito eh. A lot of you, this is a new energy na paparating pa lamang, no? So, this is a playful energy right here, no? Na siguro, alam mo, hilig niya siguro yung mga sudoku, 4 picks, 1 word, yan, ng mga bookworm, na mga laro, no? Mga Tetris, mga ganyan. So, whatever the case, maybe this person wants to play a puzzle game with you, no? So, this person is gusto niya rito na ma-figure out mo yun, na meron siya ritong gusto sa'yo. Kasi you are a very attractive person sa kanya rito, no? Maybe you are in your happiest vibe, no, right now. Or maybe you are naturally born na malakas yung appeal mo. Charming ka talaga, no? At yung iba talagang blessed with beautiful appearance, regardless of the gender here. So you are really beautiful, you are really handsome, you look gorgeous and awesome in this person's eyes. Okay? So however this individual is being playful right here, trying to tell you, but not in an obvious way, na meron siyang interest at attracted siya sa'yo. Tingnan mo. Look at this. We have here the Two of Wands energy. Okay? Alam mo, this person really wants different, no? Magkaroon ng change, no? Difference or a change in the wind. Yung nakukuha ko rito, no? Sa inyong connection ng tao na to. So, this person could be younger than you, or this person could be pwedeng may difference dito sa inyong posisyon sa trabaho, pero kasi kaya pala siya ganyan sa'yo kasi bakit nga naman niya tatawagin, no, ng atit kuya ang babae or lalaking napupusuan niya, 'di ba? So ayaw niya dito mag-instill ng mali na ano sa mind niyo, no? Kung ba't ayaw niya kayo tawaging ma'am or sir, hindi ko alam, tanungin niyo na lang siya. No? Siguro kasi gusto niya kayo ritong bigyan ng puzzle, no, na parang gusto kong iparating sa'yo na gusto kita, parang ganun, pero alamin mo mag-isa, parang ganun. Sinikita ko rito, there are lots of attraction here. The devil is present right here, no, the high priestess, no. This person will not tell it to you. It's a secret, no? Pero ang maganda rito, nakikita ko siya, no, na nagiging playful siya dito sa part na to, pero hindi siya player. Kasi this person is appearing here as the Three of Coins. This person wants to build something solid and something beautiful with you. See, look at this. Alam mo, usually kasi, mga babes, no, the Three of Coins is the type of energy, no, na humihingi ng tulong sa iba just to build something here. Okay? But here, in this deck, it's all by him or herself, no? Siya yung gumawa at nag-iskulptura nitong napakagandang statue na ito, no? Very detailed, very focused, no? So, this person right here, nakuha mo yung attention niya. And I do think, no, na magsisimula rin na maagaw ng taong ito ang attention mo. No? At ang maganda rito, no, kahit na siguro mas younger siya sa'yo, or kahit na siguro na may difference sa inyo rito experience in life, or baka sa inyong status in earning a living right here, no, nakikita ko na itong tao na to ay mapursige. No? At ang maganda, no, itong tao na to ay nagsusumikap mag-isa. Hindi niya dito kailangan ng tulong ng iba actually, because this person has this urge, this person has this thrive, okay, very driven, no, na magtagumpay rito, no, sa kanyang life, okay, in all areas of his or her life, all by his or herself, no. It does not mean that he or she does not trust anyone, but it's just that this person mas pakiramdam niya, no, na mas kaya niyang maging successful at matagumpay kapag ka siya mismo, no, yung gagawa mag-isa lang, ganon, no. So that's what I pick up right here. So this person is, you know, okay, parang this person is parang nakikita mo siya or makikita mo siya dito as parang being reckless with the full right here, na parang ba't ba siya nagiging ganyan, and then magiging concerned ka pa sa parang ugali niya rito, na pero naguguluhan ka, no? Wala siyang honorifics na nilalagay kapag ka tinatawag ka niya or kinakausap ka niya, pero yung pakiramdam parang feeling mong lambing niya. It's the contrary, pero yun talaga yun, no? Kasi gusto ka niya, no? This person just, you know, maglaro kayo ng sudoku rito, maglaro kayo ng 4 picks 1 word, hulaan mo girl, diba? Or hulaan mo boy. Pero whatever the case may be, I can see that this person, no, is something stable, no? And it is somehow pwedeng mauwi sa long-term commitment, okay? If you both allow, okay, to have this kind of space into each other's heart. So, thank you so much, Collective. Sarang ngayon, love and light. Annyeong.